Welcome to our channel Best Out of Best, introducing the NutriBullet Steamer, the versatile kitchen appliance that lets you steam, blend, and pulse your favorite ingredients all in one easy-to-use device. Are you curious about the features of the NutriBullet Baby Food Blender? Let's take a look. With a large 32 ounces capacity and 200 volts of power, the NutriBullet Steamer is perfect for creating healthy and delicious meals for babies. Its lightweight design, multiple speeds, and single-serve blender option, the NutriBullet Steamer is the ultimate kitchen tool for all your cooking needs. NutriBullet Steamer is BPA-free, ensuring that your meals are healthy and safe. The NutriBullet Steamer is dishwasher safe, with its easy-to-clean design saving you time and effort in the kitchen. 1-year warranty, you can trust that your NutriBullet Steamer is built to last. Get your NutriBullet Steamer today and start cooking up healthy and delicious meals for you and your family. Now let's talk about some pros and cons of the NutriBullet. Pros: allows parents to easily create healthy and nutritious baby food at home. Compact size makes it easy to store and use in small kitchens. With a 32 ounces capacity, the NutriBullet can create healthy meals for babies. The NutriBullet's easy-to-clean design makes it a convenient and time-saving kitchen appliance. Cons: the NutriBullet's 200 volts of power may not be sufficient for certain tasks or ingredients. The NutriBullet only comes with a 1-year warranty, which may not be sufficient for some users. Relatively expensive compared to other baby food making options. For more information, you can check our website at www.bestoutofbest.com. Thanks for watching.